Hello, hi everybody. Today I'm gonna do a regular maintenance on a Ford Transit Connect. In fact, I'll do the oil change, the motor oil change, which is of the Ford proper specifics. Always consult your user manual. This one is the 5W30 engine oil. Also I've got the engine oil filter, and normally you should replace the air filter as well. First things first, you need to warm up your engine for 15 minutes on idle. You also need to jack up or use the small ramps in order to sneak under the car. These are fair enough. And of course, safety first, as always. What else you need is a 13mm wrench, the oil filter wrench, the oil pan container, and a piece of rock. So let's remove the 13mm bolt, the oil pan bolt, but be careful not to cover yourself in the oil. I don't want to have the oil in my sleeves, so just go to the very edge of the thread, and now you release it. Right. It's pretty black, isn't it? The next step is removing the oil filter using the oil filter wrench. It's pretty tight, but we're gonna make it. Yeah, it's getting better now. We'll untie it by hand only. Again, watch out for the oil spray. Let's it drain for a bit before I go back with my hands again. Shall we go out? Still in there. Yeah. that's it. So make sure the new filter gets the same size and specifics. Yeah. Looks good. And before we place the new filter on the engine, make sure the rubber O-ring gets lubricated, and that makes your life more easy at your next oil change. So let's place the new oil filter back to its position. Tight it up, but don't use the wrench for the oil filter. This is just for the removal. Otherwise it's getting sticky and you will have difficulties next time you will change it. Again, the oil pan bolt gets back and tie it accordingly. Not too much, because you don't want to damage the thread. Yeah, now you clean all the spills. Now we are ready for topping up the new oil. So we fill it up through this engine oil cup. This 1.8 TDCI engine takes up to 4.25 liters of engine oil. We can check the level. Well, you need to do it once the car is leveled down from the checks. and you write down your mileage just to remember when your next oil change is due. And to complete the 2 days maintenance, we'll replace the air filter. Yeah, as you can see, the oil filter is dirty already, and as always you need to double check the replacement. Now the engine is up and running again to make sure there is no leak. Everything is tied up. Okay. So we are done today. The new oil has been changed. The car is good for about next 10,000 kilometers or so. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.